Do you remember? Brussels? NFT Fest 2024, where art met code and a community became a family. Now, it's time for the next leap. Wibe Summit NFT Fest Monaco, June 27 to 28, where Web3 and AI come together under the Monte Carlo sun. Enjoy the beach at our exclusive after party and soak in everything Monaco has to offer. The future is being built, block by block, line by line, prompt by prompt. And this year, we celebrate the visionaries leading the way. Introducing the Monte Carlo Wibe Summit Awards, honouring the pioneers, redefining tech, creativity, and culture. These awards are more than recognition. They're a call to honour the builders, creators, and disruptors, the ones shaping our digital tomorrow. Nominations are still open. Get your ticket and see you in Monte Carlo.